Hello, my crafty friends. Today, in this project, I'm going to be using this beautiful paper pad. It is from Maggie Homes. Um, they have beautiful pattern papers with colors and gold foiled papers. They are so beautiful. You can see that this is so beautiful and lovely colors. So I'm going to use one of the paper from this for my card making. So this is the one I'll use it. But you can see there are so many other colors that we can use for other projects. Oh, this is so beautiful. I can even do the fussy cut and use it for other projects. So this is the paper I'm going to use it. I'm going to take this A2 size card and cut this paper 3 inches by 5.5 inches, and then the another cardstock which is 1/4 inch bigger. And before that, I'm going to emboss this cardstock. I did this die cut. It is from Spellbinder, and I'm going to first stick all those flowers and leaves, everything together, and then I will use it on the card. You can see that they are so beautiful and the dies are so detailed. I used like a very light colored cardstock. And it is a lot of fun putting together. If you like my videos, please subscribe, click on the bell button and turn the notification on so you can watch my videos as I post it. So now that everything is all ready, I'm going to first stick this designer paper on the cardstock. And I'm sticking like right in the center of the card. Now I'm going to stamp thinking of you. I'm making it like a dark, so I had to stamp like 3 times, and then I'm going to use this double-sided foam tape and stick it on the bottom of the card, slightly bottom of the card. Now I'm going to stick all these flowers and leaves. For some flowers I'm using double-sided foam tape, so it will look nice. Now as a finishing touch I'm putting the gems and sequins. This finishes my card. I really enjoyed making it. I hope you enjoyed watching it. So if you like it, please subscribe, click on the bell button, turn the notification on, and you can also share it with your friends. I have posted the close-up pictures in the end of the video. So I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.